Hello. Hi, Freedom. What you doing? Alright guys, it's still 106 degrees out. In the screen porch, it is 7:15. Freedom, are you saying hi to the duck? Isn't this a fun folder? I was going through bird articles. I still have magazine articles to read going back to 2015. But we're getting there. Right, Freedom? Progress, not perfection. And I'm trying to figure out if was this our mom duck that abandoned the last egg. I think it is. So she's a pretty big bird. Hello. I'm gonna go back on pictures. And I'm also looking at the peruncles, which is the red skin around their face. And remember that produces oil to protect them. Hello. But another duck is sitting on a bunch of eggs, and so she wins the popularity contest right here. All the ducks hang out by her. All right, have a great day.